Bhakti in the Gita, loving devotion, loving meditation. A Christian point of view. This loving devotion is to be wholehearted, is cultivated by loving meditation. Meditation is characterized by concentration, which needs to bring all the senses under control. As regards meditation and yogic concentration, Shankara gives the following commentary. Having all closed all the avenues of knowledge and having concentrated thought in the lotus of the heart, and with thought thus controlled, he ascends by the nadi, which passes upwards from the heart, and then fixing life breath in the head, he utters the syllable Om, the appellation of the Brahman, and meditations on me. And this meditation needs practice. Practice means repetition of the same idea, the sole object of thought in him. This is said to be yoga. Thus, a yogin with a steady and balanced mind, intent on him, according to the Shastras or scriptures, and Acharya or teacher. Who should be the center of one's mind? In whom should one fix the mind? In him, who is the ruler of rulers, the opposite of everything that is evil, and sole seat of auspiciousness, who is omniscient, who is unfailingly true, who is the sole cause of the universe, is the one upon whom one should fix up the mind. He is the Supreme Brahman and the Supreme Person, who has shining eyes like the lotus petal, who is like a transparent blue cloud, whose dazzling luster is like that of thousand suns, arisen at the same time, who is the great ocean of nectar beauty, who is adorned with a bright crown, who is the ocean of boundless mercy, affability, beauty, sweetness, majesty, magnanimity, and material solicitude, who is the refuge of all without exception and without regard to their particular qualities, and who is the master of all. This fixing up the mind on him, the loving meditation should follow like the stream of oil. The devotee who meditates on him is exceedingly dear to him. This loving meditation is one of the ways of loving devotion. This implies also other ways of loving, which we will discuss next.